How do you balance transparency with team efficiency and product management? Maya Brooks shares her experience in scaling back stand-ups and strategically implementing them when needed. Tune in to learn how Maya ensures stand-ups provide value without becoming monotonous.
Early on in my product days here, I thought that the best way to do that would be by just having as many stand-ups as possible and including as many meetings as possible. Now, as I am almost done with my first year into iFund Women, we have scaled back on stand-ups in certain places, and we've implemented them in other places where they make sense. So we have a product process that includes usually 1 to 2 week sprints for any big projects. And then, of course, there are lots of small things that get done. I've found that at any time that we have a really big product release happening, or we have a really big product change that's coming up for us, we're going to be doing a product platform integration very soon. When those large kind of products come about, those are the times for us to implement daily stand-ups. But at any other time in our life cycle of our company, if we're working on smaller things, those daily stand-ups are less necessary for the entire team to be involved on, and maybe more necessarily just for the product team or the people on that specific project to be involved on. So I think we've definitely kind of alternated our strategy there, where stand-ups daily for the entire team are not necessary for every single thing, because it starts to become monotonous. People start to resent it. They stop reading what everyone is working on, and it becomes kind of defeats the purpose of us all reporting out in that way. But I am trying to kind of include more places where we can report out in a way that makes sense and really provides value to the team and increases more transparency.